Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Polish Togi airdrop that is trending for few hours. So now let's get into the video without wasting the time. So first of all, what you should do is go to the Telegram channel. I will give you the link in the description box below, and as well as the post link. So click on the post link directly, and you will get an interface like this. So after that, you will, as you can see here, the few steps are here, but as you can see I given, but you can't understand. So now I am saying in this video. So first what you should do is, as you can see, there is an option called click here in the post. So click on that. So directly click on that and directly click on the open button. So click on that and you will get an interface like this, guys. You can see here the all requirements and all this. So now just go down simply. So after going down, you will get an interface like this. There are few tasks here. These are very simple, as you can see. So now what you should do to complete these tasks. So as you can see here, there is an option called +1. So directly click on the +1 and directly click on the follow button. So wait for, so check out here, guys, follow button. Okay, click on that. So after that, follow the Twitter. So click on the follow button and you will follow them. So after that, go back again and enter your Twitter username here. If this option did not came to you, no problem, it will be directly taken. Okay, if this option came, directly enter your something username will be there, so enter that with @ something. So @ something username, right, your username. So enter that and click on the continue button. So after that, you will get like this. The +1 will be disappeared and the tick mark will be appeared. So after that, as you can see here, there is one more retweet task. So now what you should do is, so directly click on the second +1 and after that, as you can see here, retweet. So click on the retweet. So now you will get the interface like this. So now what you should do is click on the retweet. So I'm clicking on that. So after that, go back again and enter your username if it asks. So if it doesn't ask, don't do anything, just click on the continue button. So after that, it will be same like +1 will be disappear, the tick mark will be appear. So after that, what you should do is click on the third +1. So after that, click on the link button. So after that, you will get an interface like this. So now what you should do is, so simply go down and as you can see, there is a star here, star. So click on the star button. So take a screenshot of it and go back to here and click on the screenshot button and upload the screenshot, guys. So upload the screenshot. So okay, guys, upload the screenshot. So next what you should do, so the next step is, oh, wait for a while, guys. So guys, wait for a second only. So guys, so after that, now you can see here your tasks will be completed, and now what you should do is click on here and upload the screenshot here. So click on that and upload your screenshot. So now after that, what you should do is click on the next one, CoinGecko task. So now click on the CoinGecko task. So wait for a while, it gone back again. So click on the CoinGecko task, and after that, what you should do is, I will give you a link. So I given here CoinMarket link and CoinGecko link. So now what you should do is click on the CoinGecko link, and so after clicking on that, you will get an interface like this. So now justly create an account here. So if you add any before, so keep it like that, and after that, click on the star, and after that, click on the my portfolio, and after that, your task will be done. And take a screenshot of it and again come back to here and click on here and click on the screenshot and upload the screenshot. So now that is asking CoinMarketCap task. So now simply go back. So now simply go back to my Telegram channel, and now as you can see here, there is a CoinMarketCap link. So click on the CoinMarketCap, and after that, create an account if you didn't had. So if before only, no problem, no worries. So now take a screenshot of it. So now what you should do, so click on the CoinMarketCap link, and now what you should do is click on the whitelist. As you can see here, there is a star button here, star here, guys, watch list. So click on that and take a screenshot as well. So now come back to the screen again. So now again click on that and upload the screenshot as well. So now what you should do is click on the Telegram, join our Telegram channel, right? So now click on that. So after clicking on that, you will get something like Telegram channels. So join the channel. So after joining them, you will get the same. So after that, your task will be done, guys. So after that, complete all these tasks like this and your tasks will be done and you are now eligible. And I will update in my Telegram channel of the distribution dates at the distribution time and the winners announcement too. So now just you should do nothing, just do the simple process and your process is done. Hope you guys all like this. So please share this and please give a like, it is a motivation for me. And please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications and keep that all and never miss any other updates. Thanks for you all, guys. Bye bye.